Hello and welcome to today's lesson about congruent triangles. First, let's review some important vocabulary and vocabulary terms that you will need to know for today's lesson. Equilateral triangle. A triangle with all three sides of equal length. Each angle of an equilateral triangle measures 60 degrees, so it is also called an equiangular triangle. These three lines right here indicate that all sides are the same length. Isoceles Triangle. A triangle with at least two sides equal in length. Angles opposite the congruent sides are congruent to each other. That means that these two sides with the lines on them are equal in length, and this side is a different length, and then these two angles, indicated by the arcs, are also congruent in measurement. Scalene Triangle. A triangle with sides of three different lengths. The three angles of a scalene triangle have different measures. So this side is different than this side, which is different than this side, and this angle is different than this angle, which is different than this angle. They are indicated by a different number of lines in each area to show you that they are not the same. Congruent very basically means same size, same shape. Two figures are congruent if they match exactly when one is placed on top of the other after a combination of slides, flips, and/or turns. In diagrams of congruent figures, the corresponding congruent sides may be marked with the same number of hash marks. This symbol means is congruent to. You will see this later on in our unit. Here is your practice problem of the day. Draw and label an isosceles triangle. Use lines to show which sides are equal in length and arcs to show which angles are equal in measure. Draw two congruent equilateral triangles. Use a straight edge to make your lines straight.